Hi, I am Braxton Terrell, and I'm going to record the Detox Guide review. Discover the most effective natural methods to neutralize harmful toxins from your body to enhance your vitality and increase your energy levels. Now with this informative detox guide you can radically change the way you feel. We live in a toxic world. Environmental pollution and disease-causing germs assault us continually day after day. Our food is nutrient deficient and our water supply dangerously contaminated. People today are exposed to chemicals in far greater concentrations than were previous generations. Diseases that were rare or unheard of a century ago are now raging upon us like a plague. Millions are dying from diseases that were virtually unknown in the past. Experts tell us that by the time we reach middle age, each one of us will have already been affected by either cancer, cardiovascular disease, or some other serious degenerative condition. Conventional medicine has no sure cure. Drugs, surgery, and radiation treatments can be as dangerous and debilitating as the diseases they attempt to cure. This book outlines the steps you need to take to thoroughly detoxify and cleanse your body from these disease-causing agents. You will also learn how to increase your stamina and energy, improve your digestive process and how to strengthen your immune system. Click in the link below and get the detox guide right now.